Welcome! In this video, we'll walk you through the beginner steps to set up inventory management software specifically for knowledge management. Whether you're organizing digital assets, documents, or resources, having a structured inventory system is essential. We'll cover the basics, from understanding what inventory management means in a knowledge context to the practical steps of getting your software up and running. By the end, you'll have a clear roadmap to start managing your knowledge assets efficiently. Let's begin by exploring what inventory management software is and why it's important for knowledge management. Before diving into the software, let's clarify what we mean by a knowledge inventory. Unlike traditional inventory, which tracks physical goods, a knowledge inventory catalogs your organization's information assets, documents, guides, procedures, and more. This helps you quickly locate, update, and share valuable knowledge. By treating knowledge as an asset, you ensure nothing important gets lost or overlooked. Next, we'll look at the types of knowledge you might want to track in your inventory system. Knowledge assets come in many forms. These can include digital documents, training materials, standard operating procedures, research papers, and even multimedia files. Identifying the types of knowledge assets you want to manage is a crucial first step. This will help you configure your inventory management software to suit your organization's needs. In the next scene, we'll discuss how to choose the right software for your knowledge management goals. Selecting the right inventory management software is key. For knowledge management, look for software that supports document categorization, search functionality, user permissions, and integration with other tools. Consider whether you need a cloud-based solution for remote access or an on-premise system for added security. Evaluate user reviews and trial versions to find a platform that matches your workflow. Once you've chosen your software, you're ready to begin the setup process. Before importing anything into your new system, take time to organize your existing knowledge assets. Gather all relevant documents, files, and resources into a central location. Remove duplicates, update outdated materials, and ensure everything is clearly labeled. This preparation step will make the software setup much smoother and help you avoid confusion later on. Next, we'll look at how to structure your inventory categories. A well-structured inventory makes it easy to find and manage knowledge assets. Start by creating broad categories, such as policies, procedures, training, or research. Within each category, add subcategories for more specific topics. This hierarchy will help users navigate the system efficiently. Think about your organization's needs and customize categories accordingly. In the next scene, we'll discuss setting up metadata and tags. Metadata and tags are powerful tools for organizing knowledge assets. Metadata includes information like author, creation date, and document type. Tags are keywords that help users search and filter content. When setting up your software, define standard metadata fields and encourage consistent tagging. This will make it much easier to locate specific knowledge assets later. Next, we'll move on to importing your assets into the software. Now it's time to bring your organized knowledge assets into the inventory management software. Most platforms offer bulk import tools, allowing you to upload multiple files at once. Follow the software's instructions for importing, and double-check that all files are correctly categorized and tagged. If you encounter any errors, consult the software's help resources. Once imported, your knowledge assets will be accessible and ready for management. User permissions are crucial for knowledge security. Decide who can view, edit, or delete knowledge assets. Most inventory management software allows you to set permissions by user or group. For example, you might allow managers to edit documents, while regular users can only view them. Setting up permissions correctly protects sensitive information and ensures accountability. Next, we'll look at customizing the user interface for better usability. A user-friendly interface makes knowledge management more effective. Most software allows you to customize dashboards, menus, and display settings. Arrange frequently used categories for quick access, and adjust layouts to match your team's workflow. Clear, intuitive navigation helps users find what they need without frustration. In the next scene, we'll discuss setting up notifications and alerts. Notifications keep your team informed about updates and changes. Configure the software to send alerts when new knowledge assets are added, updated, or deleted. You can usually choose between email, in-app, or mobile notifications. Tailor notification settings to your team's preferences to avoid overload. Proper notifications ensure everyone stays up to date with the latest information. Next, we'll look at integrating your inventory system with other tools. Integration with other tools can greatly enhance your knowledge management system. Many inventory management platforms connect with email, project management, or collaboration tools. This allows for seamless sharing and updating of knowledge assets across platforms. Check your software's integration options and set up connections that streamline your workflow. In the next scene, we'll discuss setting up regular backups. Regular backups are essential to protect your knowledge assets from loss or corruption. Most inventory management software offers automated backup options. Set a schedule that fits your needs daily, weekly, or monthly. Store backups in a secure location, such as a cloud service or external drive. Regularly test your backups to ensure they can be restored if needed. Next, we'll cover how to train your team on using the system. A well-trained team is key to successful knowledge management. Provide training sessions on how to use the inventory software, focusing on searching, uploading, and tagging knowledge assets. Offer guides or video tutorials for reference. Encourage team members to ask questions and share tips. Ongoing training ensures everyone can use the system effectively. Next, we'll discuss setting up feedback channels for continuous improvement. Feedback helps you improve your knowledge management system over time. Set up channels for users to report issues, suggest features, or request help. This could be an email address, a feedback form, or a dedicated chat group. Regularly review feedback and make adjustments to the system as needed. Listening to users ensures your inventory management software continues to meet your organization's needs. Next, we'll look at monitoring, usage, and activity. Monitoring how your team uses the inventory system provides valuable insights. Most software includes analytics or reporting tools that track usage patterns, popular assets, and user activity. Use these reports to identify areas for improvement, such as underused categories or frequent search terms. Monitoring helps you keep the system relevant and efficient. Next, we'll discuss maintaining data quality over time. Maintaining high data quality is essential for effective knowledge management. Schedule regular audits to check for outdated, duplicate, or incomplete knowledge assets. Encourage users to update information as needed and follow naming conventions. Clean, accurate data ensures your inventory remains useful and trustworthy. In the next scene, we'll look at setting up version control for knowledge assets. Version control allows you to track changes to knowledge assets over time. Many inventory management systems include versioning features, letting you see who made changes and when. This is especially useful for collaborative environments where multiple users update documents. Set clear guidelines for version naming and document updates. Version control helps prevent confusion and data loss. Next, we'll discuss setting up access logs for security. Access logs record who views or edits knowledge assets, adding an extra layer of security. Configure your software to keep detailed logs of user activity. Regularly review these logs to detect unauthorized access or unusual behavior. Access logs help you maintain accountability and protect sensitive information. In the next scene, we'll look at customizing reports for management insights. Custom reports provide management with valuable insights into knowledge, usage, and trends. Most inventory management software allows you to create custom dashboards and export data. Tailor reports to highlight key metrics, such as most accessed assets or team activity. Share these reports with stakeholders to demonstrate the value of your knowledge management efforts. Next, we'll discuss automating routine tasks within the system. Automation can save time and reduce errors in knowledge management. Many inventory systems support automated workflows, such as scheduled backups, notifications, or data imports. Identify repetitive tasks and set up automation rules where possible. This frees up your team to focus on higher value activities. In the next scene, we'll look at ensuring compliance with organizational policies. Compliance with organizational policies is critical for knowledge management. Configure your inventory software to enforce document retention, privacy, and access policies. Use permission settings, audit trails, and automated reminders to support compliance. Regularly review policies and update the system as needed. Ensuring compliance protects your organization and builds trust. Next, we'll discuss managing knowledge asset lifecycles. Every knowledge asset has a lifecycle from creation to archiving or deletion. Set up your software to track asset status and automate lifecycle actions, such as review dates or expiration reminders. This ensures outdated information is archived or removed, keeping your inventory current. Managing lifecycles also helps with compliance and data quality. Next, we'll look at setting up search and filter functions for easy access. Efficient search and filter functions are vital for quick access to knowledge assets. Configure your software's search engine to index metadata, tags, and content. Set up filters for categories, dates, or authors. Train users to use advanced search features for more precise results. Good search tools save time and improve productivity. Next, we'll discuss enabling mobile access for your inventory system. Mobile access allows your team to manage and retrieve knowledge assets on the go. Many inventory management platforms offer mobile apps or responsive web interfaces. Enable mobile access and test functionality on different devices. This flexibility supports remote work and ensures knowledge is always within reach. Next, we'll look at setting up notifications for critical updates. Critical updates, such as policy changes or urgent announcements, require immediate attention. Configure your inventory system to send high-priority alerts for these updates. Use multiple channels, email, SMS, or in-app notifications to ensure everyone is informed. Clear communication of critical updates helps prevent misunderstandings and keeps your team aligned. Next, we'll discuss managing external sharing of knowledge assets. Sometimes, you'll need to share knowledge assets with external partners or clients. Set up your software's sharing features to control what can be shared and with whom. Use secure links, password protection, or time-limited access to safeguard information. Always review external sharing permissions to prevent accidental data leaks. Next, we'll look at tracking shared asset activity. Tracking the activity of shared knowledge assets helps you monitor usage and security. Configure your software to log when assets are accessed, downloaded, or modified by external users. Regularly review these logs to ensure compliance with sharing policies. Tracking shared activity also provides insights into how external partners use your knowledge assets. Next, we'll discuss setting up reminders for asset reviews. Regular reviews keep your knowledge inventory up to date. Set automated reminders for asset reviews, prompting users to check and update information as needed. Choose review intervals based on asset type and importance. Automated reminders help maintain data quality and ensure nothing falls through the cracks. Next, we'll look at archiving outdated knowledge assets. Archiving is an important part of knowledge management. Move outdated or irrelevant knowledge assets to an archive category where they remain accessible but don't clutter active inventories. Set clear criteria for what should be archived and communicate this to your team. Archiving keeps your inventory focused and efficient. Next, we'll discuss restoring archived assets if needed. Sometimes, archived knowledge assets become relevant again. Your inventory management software should allow easy restoration of archived items. Establish a process for reviewing and approving restoration requests. This ensures only necessary assets are brought back into active use. Restoring assets helps you adapt to changing needs without losing valuable information. Next, we'll look at managing user roles and responsibilities. Defining user roles clarifies responsibilities within your knowledge management system. Assign roles such as administrator, editor, or viewer, each with specific permissions. This structure helps prevent unauthorized changes and ensures accountability. Regularly review and update roles as your team evolves. Next, we'll discuss setting up onboarding for new users. Smooth onboarding helps new users quickly become productive with your inventory management software. Create step-by-step guides, offer training sessions, and provide access to support resources. Assign a mentor or point of contact for questions. Effective onboarding reduces confusion and accelerates adoption. Next, we'll look at supporting ongoing user education. Continuous learning ensures your team stays up to date with system features and best practices. Offer regular refresher courses, share updates about new features, and encourage knowledge sharing among users. Ongoing education helps users make the most of your inventory management software. Next, we'll discuss encouraging collaboration within the system. Collaboration is at the heart of effective knowledge management. Use your inventory software's collaboration features, such as shared editing, comments, or discussion threads. Encourage team members to contribute and update knowledge assets. Collaboration not only improves data quality, but also fosters a culture of shared learning. Next, we'll look at recognizing and rewarding contributions. Recognizing team members who contribute to the knowledge inventory motivates ongoing participation. Use your software's reporting tools to track contributions and highlight top contributors. Consider implementing a recognition program or rewards for active participants. Recognition builds engagement and reinforces the value of knowledge sharing. Next, we'll discuss handling knowledge gaps. Identifying and addressing knowledge gaps is crucial for a complete inventory. Use analytics to spot areas where information is missing or outdated. Encourage users to fill gaps by contributing new knowledge assets or updating existing ones. Regularly review your inventory to ensure comprehensive coverage. Next, we'll look at promoting a culture of continuous improvement. Continuous improvement keeps your knowledge management system effective and relevant. Encourage users to suggest enhancements, report issues, and share best practices. Regularly update processes and software settings based on feedback and changing needs. A culture of improvement ensures your inventory system evolves with your organization. Next, we'll discuss measuring the impact of your knowledge management efforts. Measuring the impact of your knowledge management system helps demonstrate its value. Track metrics such as user engagement, search success rates, and time saved. Use surveys or interviews to gather qualitative feedback. Share results with stakeholders to highlight achievements and identify areas for further improvement. Next, we'll look at planning for system upgrades and scalability. As your organization grows, your knowledge management needs may change. Plan for software upgrades and scalability from the start. Choose platforms that offer flexible licensing, modular features, and easy data migration. Regularly review your system's performance and explore new features that support growth. Planning ahead ensures your inventory management system can adapt to future needs. Next, we'll discuss ensuring data security and privacy. Data security and privacy are top priorities in knowledge management. Use your software's security features, such as encryption, access controls, and regular security audits. Educate users about safe practices and monitor for potential threats. Strong security measures protect your knowledge assets and maintain trust. Next, we'll look at preparing for disaster recovery. Disaster recovery planning ensures your knowledge assets are safe in case of emergencies. Set up regular backups, test restore procedures, and document recovery steps. Assign roles for disaster response, and communicate the plan to your team. Being prepared minimizes downtime and data loss. Next, we'll discuss evaluating and updating your knowledge management strategy. Regularly evaluating your knowledge management strategy keeps it aligned with organizational goals. Review system performance, user feedback, and business outcomes. Adjust your approach as needed to address new challenges or opportunities. Evaluation ensures your inventory management software continues to deliver value. Next, we'll summarize the key steps for beginner setup. Let's recap the beginner setup process for inventory management software in knowledge management. Start by understanding your knowledge assets and choosing the right software. Organize, categorize, and import your assets. Then configure permissions, notifications, and integrations. Train your team, set up feedback channels, and maintain data quality. Regularly review and improve your system to keep it effective. In our final scene, we'll share some tips for ongoing success. To ensure ongoing success with your knowledge management inventory, stay proactive. Regularly update your processes, listen to user feedback, and keep your team engaged through training and recognition. Embrace new features and technologies as they become available, and always prioritize data security. With these habits, your knowledge management system will remain a valuable asset for your organization. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your setup.